In this video, let's tackle la Latin phrase in vino veritas, or in wine there is truth. Now, ang question ngayon is the truth or fallacy? Okay, number one to consider, the pharmacological effect of alcohol, clustered or categorized under depressant. Okay, and depressant, it will depress the central nervous system. It will slow down the process of the brain. Number two to consider, yung in 1800s, there were research or study na about 208 participants pinainom ng alak. After malasing, sinalang sa polygraph examinations. And the result, hindi naka-affect sa truth-seeking result of the examination. It's fallacy. It's not true na ang taong lasing able, legible to tell the truth.